Industrial automation made simple with the software services from TMP Automation and Engineering. Complex production processes and flexible manufacturing systems pose ever greater challenges for machine and plant construction, as well as manufacturing companies. Reliable software and control technology, in addition to mechanical and electrical engineering, are crucial to the success of the project. Here's where we help. TMP implements the appropriate software, following your template or custom build, with TMP's own software framework. Our software developers take care of the basic programming, commissioning, and recommissioning of your machines. Thanks to our many years of experience, an extensive know-how network, and additional TMP products, our on-site developers always have the right solution to your problem. It doesn't matter if it's the initial commissioning, optimization and extension, or retrofit and modernization. We offer you continuous support in every stage of your machine's lifetime from a single source. As the client, you continually receive transparent insight into all project-relevant work processes. We conquer all the challenges of control technology together with your team. Benefit from our know-how and extensive experience from a wide range of projects. Our TMP support is there to assist you for questions and problems, even via remote maintenance. TMP. We control the essentials and have over 20 years of experience. Contact us today to make a commitment-free appointment and discuss how TMP can support you too.